This video will go over the EAS Accommodated Testing Agreement and how to complete it for your courses each semester. We will begin from our Mavzone account. Navigate to the drop-down Getting Help. From the drop-down menu options, click on Accessibility Services. This will bring you directly to the EAS homepage. Click on the Aim for Faculty button in the right-hand corner of your screen. This will take you to your instructor profile in the AIM system. This first landing page you come to is your overview page. This access policy box is to remind you of confidentiality laws in place to protect students. You will see this message every time you come to this landing page in AIM. You assume agreement to the policies when you sign in. To sign in and see your specific information, click on the Continue to View Student Accommodations button. Once logged in, you will see a list of your students registered with EAS and a few different options and labels. For this video, we are going to navigate to the menu on the left of your screen and click on the option Alternative Testing. This page will be your testing hub and include all the details needed to ensure your EAS registered students are prepared to take their exams with EAS. On this screen, you will be able to see the number of courses that you have filled out a testing agreement for, as well as the number of courses that do not have a testing agreement specified. If a student has requested to take an exam for one of your classes and you have not yet uploaded the exam, this notice will also show up on this page. Down below, you will have a list of students who have put in exam requests for upcoming tests for one of your classes. This page is just an example of what your instructor page may look like. Your testing homepage will look different from this one based on your courses and steps you have already completed. As a reminder, filling out your testing agreements for your courses is vital. EAS uses the information provided to appropriately proctor exams and protect the integrity of your tests. EAS cannot review exam requests from students until we receive a completed testing agreement from you. There are two ways from this screen that you can get to your testing agreements. If you have courses without a completed testing agreement, you can click on the link here under the number to go to a page that has only courses that you need to complete an agreement for. This page may look like this. The second way to get to your testing agreement is to click on this button in the right-hand corner titled EAS Accommodated Testing Agreement. Clicking this will bring you to a page that lists every course you are listed as an instructor for, whether you have filled out a testing agreement or not. For this video, we will be working on this page with all of the courses listed. All of your courses will have a status underneath the name of the course. This will indicate whether the agreement has been completed or not. A completed testing agreement will say View/Modify, or the status will say Not Specified if the testing agreement still needs to be completed. To fill out a testing agreement that has not yet been completed, navigate to the course that needs a testing agreement and click on the status Specify EAS Accommodated Testing Agreement. Clicking this button will bring you to the testing agreement page. On this page, you will indicate what exams look like for your course over the semester, any additional comments that EAS may need to appropriately proctor your exams, how you will get the exam to EAS before your students come in to test, how you would like EAS to get the test back to you after completion, any materials that students will consistently require throughout the semester for your exams, if you have online exams or quizzes, any information that might be helpful for EAS to proctor your exam, and any allowances for the exams that students may bring or use with them during testing. You will be prompted to answer yes or no if you answer clarifying questions from students during the exam. If you have a method of contact that is preferred over telephone, please put that here in this additional comment space. Otherwise, under contact information, please add in a phone number that EAS can reach you at if we have a clarifying question or a concern during the testing period. The testing agreement includes general exam parameters that are used throughout the semester for all of your exams. These are exam parameters that you have set in place per your syllabus for all exams. Once you are happy, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Submit and Continue to specify exam dates. This will bring you to a brand new page where you can list the exam dates in your class. This page is the second tab of your course ribbon here at the top. You can go back and forth between the testing agreement you just filled out and this page at any point. So don't fret, this page is accessible whenever you need to get back to it. This page is for inputting specific exam dates for your class and verifying the standard length of time for all your exams. If you need further assistance or information on this List Exam Dates page, please refer to our List Exam Dates video. You will know that the testing agreement you have just provided information for has been saved in the AIMS system if the green check mark appears at the top of your screen. Remember that you must fill out a testing agreement for each of your courses each semester. To modify a testing agreement you have already completed, you will go back to your testing homepage in AIM. You can either click on the linked number down below. This indicates courses that you have already filled a testing agreement out for, or you can again click on this button, EAS Accommodated Testing Agreement. From the next screen, navigate to the course that you need to make agreement edits for and click on the link next to the status called View Modify EAS Accommodated Testing Agreement. Here you can add, edit, or make deletions to the testing agreement you have already filled out for this course. This might be helpful if you have changed your examination method, have added testing materials allowed during the exam, or even just want to change the delivery method of exams from EAS back to you after completion. Once you are happy with your edits, scroll down and click on the Update and View Exam Dates button. This will bring you once again to the List Exam Dates page. Listing exam dates differs from the testing agreement in that for exam dates, you will provide the lengths and dates of your exams. Again, you will know that your testing agreement edits have been saved by the green checkmark at the top of the screen. Once you see the green checkmark at the top of the screen, it is okay to leave the screen. Everything will be saved. There are no screens in AIM in which you cannot return to at a later time. EAS relies solely on the information given in the testing agreement and the listed exam dates to proctor exams. It is important that each of your courses with EAS registered students have a completed testing agreement. In the testing agreement feature, you may also copy testing agreements and exam dates to your other courses. If your courses all have the same exam instructions you detailed in one testing agreement, you do not have to refill out a testing agreement for every course. Click on Copy EAS Accommodated Testing Agreement. Click on the drop-down and choose the course that you would like to copy the Accommodated Testing Agreement to. Click Continue. From this page, you can click Copy EAS Accommodated Testing Agreement, and it will then copy all the instructions you provided for this course's testing agreement to your other course. You will know that this action has been saved when you see the green check mark at the top of your screen. Be aware, though, that when you get to that page and you have listed exam dates, those listed exam dates will also copy to your other course. We show a demonstration in that in our List Exam Dates video, so if you need further assistance or information, please refer to that video. Now that you have copied the EAS Accommodated Testing Agreement from one course to another, you now have two courses with a completed testing agreement. If you have any additional questions or need more information, please reach out to EAS.